Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we are absolutely jumping right into the deep end, literally journeying to the absolute edge of the unknown. We're going to look at some of the most mind-bending, extreme objects in the entire universe. I mean, we're talking about places where gravity is so impossibly intense that absolutely nothing can escape its grasp. It's a place where our current understanding of physics just completely breaks down. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our flight plan so we can break this massive, kind of terrifying concept down step by step. 1. What is a black hole? 2. The birth of a monster. 3. Anatomy of the abyss. 4. 3 sizes of black holes. And finally, 5. How we see the invisible.
So, moving right into section 1, what is a black hole? Let's set the stage here for what these extreme objects actually are.
At its core, a black hole is a region of space with gravity so intense that absolutely nothing escapes. I mean, think about it. We know light is the fastest entity in the universe, right? But even the staggering speed of light is not enough to outrun this sheer gravitational trapdoor. It's the ultimate cosmic dead end.
Which brings us to section 2, the birth of a monster. How does the universe even create something like this?
Well, this monster is actually born from an incredibly explosive sequence. It all starts with massive stars, and we're talking giants here, at least 10 times the mass of our own sun. When these massive stars finally exhaust their fuel, the outward pressure that's been holding them up just vanishes. Poof! In a fraction of a second, gravity completely takes over, collapsing the star inward and triggering a massive supernova explosion. When the cosmic dust finally clears, an incredibly dense core remains. And if that core is heavy enough, well, gravity wins the final battle, collapsing endlessly inward to form a black hole.
All right, moving to section 3, Anatomy of the Abyss. We're going to take a guided tour right up to the edge and straight into the center of the unknown.
And this brilliantly illustrates the singularity. This is the very center where matter is crushed into an infinitely small point of infinite density. Imagine all that massive stellar material packed into a literal microscopic speck. It's the ultimate paradox where general relativity and quantum mechanics violently clash. At this exact, infinitely dense point, the known laws of physics simply cease to operate. They just stop. Now, surrounding that singularity is the event horizon. You can think of this as the absolute point of no return. It's a spherical boundary around the center, representing the exact point where the required escape velocity officially exceeds the speed of light. Once anything, literally anything, crosses this spherical line, making escape impossible, there is zero chance of turning back. It is a one-way door in space, no exceptions.
Okay, so swirling just outside that boundary is the accretion disk. Now, to be clear, while this isn't technically part of the